Hello, this the task tool that you want develop and the application of the AVR microcontroller as a below requirement. Okay, you have one analog input LM35 and four output DC motor to control the room temperature. The operations of the application show at the table below. Okay, for the temperature 0 to 20, so DC motor all motor off and LCD display cool temperature. For the temperature 21 until 40, motor 1 is on and indicate low temperature at the LCD. For the 41 to 60 degrees, motor 1 and motor 2 on, medium temperature display. Right, 61 to 80, motor 1 until motor 3 is on, high temperature. 81 to 100, all motor on, so display very high temperature. And then for 100 to 150, all motor on plus buzzer, so display danger. Right, this is the task you must design. Okay, so we go to the circuit. Okay, you have one LM35, this sensor for temperature, and then you have 4 circuit for the relay. Okay, for the relay function to control each motor. All right, so the first one, okay, is 4 motor 1, motor 2, motor 3 and motor 4, and then the function of the circuit. Okay, this one function for motor 1, motor 2, motor 3 and motor 4. Okay, for the program, check the program. Okay, for the header file, this one the header file, and then the ADC function. Okay, this one for the ADC initialize, and then for the program we read from pin 1. Okay, go to ADC result 0 and we get the temperature value, and then we display for the LCD. If temperature 0 to 20, okay, we refer to the table and then follow the condition. Okay, the temperature that we control until 150. Right, is the program. Okay, so for the programming, we run the program in the Proteus. That one. Okay, the program is run, and then we up the temperature value. Okay, if 24, now motor 1 on. Okay, over 30, motor 2, and then over 40, 40 and 50. Okay, 50, 3 motor on, and then over 80, all motor on. Right. Okay, this function for the relay. Okay, that's all for the task 2. Thank you. I show you the connection of the hardware. For the LCD, we connect to port D, and then for the temperature sensor LM35, we connect to port ADC1, port A1. Right. For the digital output, we use relay to control the 4 motor. Okay, we use 4 relay to control 4 motor. So we use the transistor and control the relay. So for the connection of the base for the connector, we connect to port B0 until port B3. So we use 4 port to control digital output for 4 relay. Okay, now temperature shows the temperature sensor value and then the condition. Right, so depends on the program. Okay, if value 25 until 35, okay, the motor 1 is running. Alright, so and then for the increasing the temperature, we use solder iron. Okay, we hit the temperature sensor, and then the temperature growing up, and we can see the movement of the motor. So motor 2 and motor 3 running, and after 70, all 4 motor is running. Right, and then after I remove the solder iron, temperature decreasing, and also the motors running slowly. Okay, slowly depends on the quantity of the motor. Now 45 2 motor on. After decreasing 35, only one motor on. Okay. For the temperature low, only one motor on. Below 25, all motor off. Okay, that's all for the hardware function. Okay, thank you.